Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can make a text video effect in your Filmora 9 like this one. Here you can see on my screen there is a text and animation, and you can see a video inside of the text, and this is very good for your blogging and any other tutorials. So stay tuned and keep watching this video and you will learn how to do this one. So first of all, you need to open your Filmora 9. Then here from the tile section you need to add text inside your video. So we are gonna select a text from here. So I'm going to choose this one from my sample text. So I choose this one. You can see the animation here how it look like. So I just add and drag this inside the timeline. Then I make it a little bit larger. So now I double click on this and then go to advanced. From here I can select my font. You can see there is a lot of fonts, so I just need to select a bold font that will fit with this. So you can also edit your text from here. So I just type something like summer. So we're gonna show video inside of this text, so I just make it larger. You can choose how much big or small you need to have your text. You can modify from here. So I make this bold. I want to choose another font, so this one is perfect. Now I make this a little bit larger. You can also drag this from here and make it large or smaller. So this is all this summer text. I will show video inside of this. So I just done finishing editing this. Now press OK. So now you can play this one and see how it look like. So it will come like this animation and it will start showing your video. So now what you need to do, you just need to export this video. So I make a little bit more, like 25 seconds, and then go to export and just export. So our video exporting has finished. Now we need to delete this one. And now we need to import the media that we want to show inside of the video. So here I have downloaded some video clips that we want to show inside of this. So I choose those files from here and click open. And we also need to insert the text file that we exported. So I also add this one. So right now I will add the video clips. Then we can cut those video according to our needs. So I just make a little bit smaller. So that's all. Now we need to drag and drop the text file here. Now match the video file with the text file. Now we need to right click on this and select green screen. Once we select the green screen, then we need to select the color of the green screen. So we need to click on the pen and then select the text color. Okay, that's alright. So now we are ready to show our video inside of the text. Now if you want to add some music, you can also add some music. Right now I am going to add some music in this video. So I go to the files and now I select a music from here. So I add a music and then drag and drop inside the timeline. Now cut the music. Now all are done. Now we can play the video and see how it look like. So this is all about of this video, and if you want to make some difference and changes, you can increase the text size, smaller or bigger according to your project needs, and some editings. Here I give the animation that might seem some odd, but I just show how to do this so you can understand how to do more with this. You need to be creative to do some great editing in this Filmora 9. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like the video about how to make the video text effect, then please like the video and also do subscribe to my channel for more new Filmora 9 tutorials.